In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate a PDF file into your Wix website using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com. This process will enable you to enhance your site by adding downloadable documents, which can be incredibly useful for sharing information with your visitors. Let's dive in and get started. First, head over to the Wix dashboard by navigating to the setup page on managewix.com. This is essentially your command center where you can access all the tools you need to manage your website. From here, we'll transition into the editor, which is where the magic really happens. Once you've opened the editor, you'll notice a variety of options on the left side of your screen. One of these options is Add Elements. This section is crucial as it allows you to customize your page by adding new features and media. To proceed, simply click on Add Elements to open up a world of possibilities for your website. Now, within the Add Elements section, you need to locate and click on the PDF file option. PDFs are a great way to present detailed documents that can be downloaded and viewed offline by your audience. It's a good practice to use PDFs for content like brochures, menus, and white papers. Clicking on this option will allow us to upload your file to the website. Following this, you need to click on .pdf. It might seem a bit repetitive, but this is an essential step to ensure the file is recognized and can be seamlessly uploaded. This part of the process allows the system to prepare your PDF for use on your site, setting the stage for easy access by your visitors. After you've clicked on .pdf, look for the Add to Page button. This action places your chosen PDF directly onto the web page you're editing. It essentially links the document to your site, allowing visitors to download it with ease. Be sure to choose a prominent spot on your page for the PDF link, possibly near related content, so it's intuitive for users to find. Once your PDF is positioned just the way you like, it's crucial to save your progress. Click on Save to ensure all your changes are stored correctly in the editor. It would be a shame to lose all that hard work, so make this a regular habit during your editing sessions. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a functional PDF document to your Wix site, enhancing its engagement and utility. Now users can access and download the file effortlessly, making your site a more valuable resource. Thanks for joining me today, and happy website building!